We've all heard nightmares about lost luggage, baggage fees, and scrambled baggage claim chaos. It sucks the fun out of travel. But there's a way to skip all of that. What if we told you that you don't need 2 suitcases, 3 jackets, and 4 pairs of shoes to travel well? What if one carry-on bag was all you really needed? Here's 3 easy steps on how to go carry-on only on your next trips. Step 1. Lay out everything you think you need to bring. All your outfits, shoes, toiletries, extras. Then, reality check. Chances are, you'll never fit it all. Do you really need that fancy dress you haven't worn in years? Probably not. That extra jacket? Likely a just in case you don't need. Step 2. It's time to make edits. Pick only what you'll actually wear. 2 pairs of pants or shorts, 2 to 4 tops, 1 jacket. Shoes? 1 versatile walking pair, plus maybe sandals if you need them. We always fly in sneakers or boots, and pack only 1 spare pair. And yes, we've ditched that just-in-case outfit more than once. Step 3. It's time to pack. Rolling clothes instead of folding saves tons of space, and if you nail it, minimal wrinkles. Packing cubes help if you're near the limit, but if you're already lean in what you bring, they're optional. For things like shampoos or sprays, go travel size. And really think through styling tools. 99% of Airbnb's hotels have a hairdryer. Do you need both a straightener and a curling iron? Probably not. With 1 bag, you skip baggage claim and avoid fees. You move faster, easier, no waiting, no hauling heavy luggage upstairs, no lugging stuff on trains or cobblestone streets. It's minimal, but it's freeing. You focus on the trip, not the luggage. 2 of our favorite products to pack are laundry detergent sheets and antibacterial fabric spray, as they allow for minimal space in packing. They also help with washing clothes on the go and keeping your items smelling fresh. Now, on your next trip, try to pack just 1 bag. We dare you. Ditch the overpacking, lighten your load, travel smarter, freer, and happier.